Hey guys, as you can see by the title, we are doing a Plouise unboxing. Finally, I'm a part of the Plouise club. Now, my package just came in the mail today. And, you know, I've just been seeing, I follow Beats by Deb on TikTok, Instagram, and everything else. And I seen her have some Plouise Base that she used as a concealer and an eyeshadow base. I've been wanting to try this Plouise for quite some time, so I finally ordered some, and now we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys what I got, and then we're gonna use the products, and I'm gonna, you know, let you guys know what I think. Yes to the safe packaging. I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. I got the Plouise Love Tapes palette bundle. That was on sale, y'all. Got an eye base. I got 2 eye bases, and then, yeah, that's it. Here's one of the eye bases. This packaging is cute. It's giving Too Faced. Then, oh, wow. Even though it said the ounces on it, I really was not expecting this to be this big. This compared to this, I hope I like it, because that's a lot. I only ordered the bigger size because the smaller size was sold out. The palettes are in here nice and tight. I wasn't expecting these to be this big either. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is the cutest. So this is the Wedding Wish palette. They all look like this. So they're love tapes. They look like little cassette tapes. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, it has a little mirror on the top. That's cute. Now, wifey. Yeah. It looks lighter on camera, but this was definitely one that I was waiting on. Like, wifey, ring on it, hitched, endless love. I just want to lick. I pressed play on our last love. I ain't getting married. I ain't reading that shit. Next up, we got Vacation. I was going to get this palette by itself, but then I seen the bundle of 3 was only like $10 more. I'm going to read this. I'll be honest, babe. Things moved quickly, but when the pina coladas are flowing with a dose of vitamin C, how could I resist you? We took a trip to paradise, and I rocked my tan lines. Then under lilac skies, I fell deeper into our love story. Question is, will it be happily forever after? That's cute, because all of the gold words are shades. This tan lines is definitely going to be a blush. It's giving blush, darling. And last but not least, we got date night. The Plouise packaging is so bomb. The emails are bomb. The way the website is built is bomb. Like, there's even a little secret code on the website. If you're paying attention, you'll see it. They got like a screenshot of the text messages that they send to customers, and it says use codes for discount, and it's on the page. And I was like, I wonder if this discount code work. Sure did, babe. It sure did. Okay, yeah. Now this is the one I was waiting for. Treat Me, Pillow Talk, Matchmaker. Yeah. Treat Me. This one, and all these on the top. Like, let's get into these bases. So first I'm gonna start with the Plouise Base Pro. This is in Rumor 5. So it's not as big as I thought it was gonna be. It's a lot lighter than I thought. So I'm just gonna take my silicone spatula. Oh baby, that's thick. Is it too light for an under eye concealer? Yeah, she's a little light. And then this is base 0. Of course, this is the white one. I had to get the white one. Now, let's talk about size. Yeah. This is about double the size. It's still nice and thick. And this has already started drying.
Niggas act like something take it. Ain't nothing but a little bit straight shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. That shit on, nigga, get shit on.
I'm just gonna use my spatula. I'm gonna use my Morphe M167 brush.
Together won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running shit back at the scene.
I do feel like it would blend easier with a finger and not a brush. I feel like it's creasing. So I'm gonna use the clean part of my sponge. Oh yeah, definitely. Let's get to work, babes. Cue trap music.
Straightening, 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 yeah. Straightening, 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 yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient.
Okay, so I was definitely expecting wifey to be more of a like a brown. It's giving more like reddish burgundy. I'm not mad, but it's just not what I was expecting. It's very deep though. Yeah, it's giving very much deep. I like it though. I feel like this is turning into a pink look now because now I want to go in with Forever Yours. Oh, ooh, okay.
Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken.
Okay, Miss Plouise, Miss Mamas.
On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. That shit on, nigga, get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on.
God, damn, this, yo.
Said it went with your prongs. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic. You know that's the shit that we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and L at this shit is together. Won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it.
So I want to blend out this in my brow bone a little bit. So I'm going to take a little bit of ring on it. Yeah. These shadows are so pigmented, like... You know how like sometimes when you put down a darker shadow and then you go on top of it with a lighter and it doesn't cover it? These shadows definitely give what the fuck they supposed to give. So I'm just coming back in with a little bit of wifey and just, you know, trying to bring that color back through. Now to cut the crease. Now, since I'm going to be cutting my crease with a nude color, instead of using the white, I'm going to come in with Plouise Base in Rumor 5. And to cut my crease, I am going to be using a paintbrush. I got this paintbrush from like Michael's or something. So far, it was definitely worth the money, baby. I hope I don't mess this up with this nude. I'm gonna just use white.
Straightening, 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 yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. No, I'm the type to sit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, jumping that bacon. Lows on like I'm starting the matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. In the fridge came white like shady. Got a Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with the attitude. Give a shout out to them white.
Cleaned off my brush and I'm just gonna.
Don't let them take it. If they get charged, you gotta get straight. I got your op, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got the rat when you see me.
It does have a little bit of fallout, just a tiny bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with Hitched or Endless Love. I'm gonna go in with Endless Love. I am going to put that straight on top. And I'm just packing this up here. And just to get that edge nice and crisp, I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M421 brush. I can tell that I lost some of this Forever Yours. And I'm gonna just take a pencil brush and just take some of this Forever Yours. Okay, she's cute. I'm gonna do my other eye and then my face, and I'm gonna come back and do the final touches because I do want to use some of this shimmer. Okay, so now that my foundation is on, I would like to try this as a highlights under eye brightener. The color that I ordered is way too light, like way too light. It looked darker than this on the website, so like compared to my foundation, it's way too light. So I'm just going to use it to brighten the inner corners of my eye, inner and outer corner. This base dries really fast, so I'm just going to...
Straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening, but straightening.
Okay, it's not as bright as I thought.
Sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making.
It's definitely not as bright as I thought it was gonna be, but it has a pink undertone to it. So I'm just gonna come in with my Fawn, my LA Pro Girls. Now, would I get another color and use it as a base? Definitely. It dries nice for an under eye. I like that. Now I'm gonna set my face and do the rest, and I'll be back when it comes to blush. For blush, I'm gonna start with the Vacation palette, and we are going to start with Tan Lines. Very light with this because as we can see, it's very pigmented. Because that was too much.
Robert De Niro, he telling them so amazing. That shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She fat and said it went.
And then I'm gonna go in with some Paradise. I mean, and then a little Forever Yours. Hopefully this doesn't make it ashy. So we just gonna lighten. Yeah, that's the color I was looking for. And if you're not trying to put blush on like the lady in the front of the pews on Sunday morning, first Sunday to be exact, what are you doing? Yeah, we like that. So now to add a little shimmer to the eyes, I'm gonna stay in the Wedding Wish palette and I'm gonna use Commitment. I just want to pop this in my inner corner like this. Gotta zoom you in on it. I think that will also be a nice highlight. Okay. Now, it is looking a little patchy right here, and it's bugging me, so we're just gonna try to fix it. If the question is, am I obsessed? The answer is yes. Like, I feel like I have to do the Plouise low light thing. Flash on, lights off. And I used Wifey to line my lips. Rating these eyeshadow palettes from a 0 to a 10, give it a 9. I want to give it a 10. It's just, it does have fallout. But honestly, I want to give it like a 9.7 because the shadows are so soft. Like, they soft like butter. The colors are my favorites. I'm a nude matte eyeshadow kind of girl. Like, this, it's so perfect. And even the bases, love the bases. Now, I do wish I'd have got this one in a different color. I wish I would have got it darker because on the website this does look darker, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's okay. But Plouise is definitely worth all the hype if you ask me. But baby, I honestly, collectively, I give everything a 10 out of 10. Plouise, take all my money. And I will definitely be ordering again.